So first we're gonna need these ingredients for the marination. Put 100 grams of olive oil in a chopper. Add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Three tablespoons of lemon juice. Now mix this mixture. Now add 15 cloves of garlic to the mixture, 10 to 12 green chilies,
Green chili,
and mix it again. Now add coriander in the mixture as well. And mix it again. Mix till it looks like this. And now add 1 tablespoon of chili flakes.
salt.
1 tablespoon salt or as per your taste.
1 tablespoon.
Add some more lemon juice.
1 spoon lemon juice. More.
Now prepare for the final mixture and then this will be ready. Now the marination is ready. Put it in the fridge for some hours. Now for our chicken, cut it in the manner which is shown, or as you like.
Cut in this.
After you're done with the chicken, put your chicken on a baking paper.
Chimichurri sauce, marinate with.
And start spreading the marination sauce on it finally. Spread the mixture on the chicken thoroughly. Once you're done spreading the marination on the chicken, put it aside and marinate the chicken for 4 hours.
Marinate for 4 hours.
Once the chicken is marinated, prepare the oven at 180 degrees centigrade. Now put the chicken in for 2.5 hours at 180 degrees centigrade. Once the timer is done, take your chicken out, and it should be crispy from the outside, cooked from the inside.
We're ready.
If you like this recipe, be sure to comment and subscribe if you want more of this. And until then, take care of yourselves.